Good morning, you guys. So this is my very first vlog. It is currently raining outside right now, so I figured why not do a vlog today. If the lighting changes throughout this vlog, just keep in mind it's my very first one, so I'm just trying to see how this is gonna work out. But I just woke up. It's about 9:30 or so in the morning, 9:22. And yeah, I'm about to shower, get ready. My mom just invited me to go to her work because she's a waitress to go and eat some breakfast. I also thought about stopping at the Ulta up there to pick up this new Almay foundation that I've heard so many good things about. So if you guys want to follow me along, then just keep watching. So I figure I'd show you the current situation of what it looks like outside right now. Completely raining, but I absolutely love this weather. I'm about to jump in the shower right now. Put on some warm, cozy clothes. I'm probably not going to be putting on too much makeup today, but we'll see, because every time I say that, I always end up putting on way too much makeup. Also, don't mind my no makeup face right now. Literally just woke up, as I said before. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take a shower, get ready. Excuse this horrible lighting. Just walking to my bathroom. And yeah, I'm gonna go eat some breakfast. Oh my gosh, this lighting's horrible. I'm gonna go ahead and eat some breakfast, take a shower, and go eat some breakfast at my mom's restaurant. And I'll talk to you guys when I get there. Alrighty, so I finished getting ready. As you saw in the previous part, I was just about to jump in the shower. So now I just got into the car. It is pouring rain outside, which I absolutely love. I love the rain. I got called off of work today, which is kind of nice and kind of not nice, especially when I see my check. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and head to where my mom works to go and eat some breakfast. I'll try to vlog while I'm in there. This is my first time doing this, so it's kind of awkward. I also kind of want to run into Ulta and grab a couple of things, so I'll have you guys just follow me along for the day. And yeah, if you like this vlog, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel down below. Also, all the products on my skin today, this is actually no foundation, believe it or not. I was so shocked. I tried just doing concealer and everything else but foundation, so I'm really obsessed with it right now. My skin, to me, looks pretty freaking bomb. But yeah, if you guys want to see a tutorial on this look with no foundation, let me know. I still haven't added my lip product yet. I'm not going to do that until I walk into my mom's job. So yeah, if you guys want to just check out the rest of the vlog, then please keep watching. into my mom's job. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna order. I just got a large lemon water because I'm always so thirsty. But their menu is massive. They have breakfast all day long. They have Mexican food, American food. I think I'm craving some breakfast. Also, hopefully you guys can hear me because there's a lot of people in here talking. But we will see what I order. So my food just came and I ordered the 2 eggs, any style, with some toast, some potatoes. I'm super excited to eat right now. It all looks so yummy, and of course ketchup. And my favorite, oh my goodness, I don't know if they have my favorite. Normally it's strawberry jelly. I'm gonna have to ask my mom for some. But it's just so cute in here. Alrighty, so I just finished eating some breakfast. It was so good. Oh my gosh, if you guys haven't been to Good Stuff, you have to go. I went to the one in Palos Verdes, which is where my beautiful mama works, but they also have one in Redondo Beach where she used to work, and also Hermosa. So if you haven't gone there, go check it out. Super good food. I just parked my car and I'm going into Ulta right now because I want to find this Almay foundation that I heard really good things about for acne prone skin. It is still raining outside, so I'm going to take you guys into Ulta with me. Hopefully I can vlog in there. If not, I'll just show you afterwards what I got. But let's go. Alright, so you saw kind of me walking into Ulta was the last part that I think I left off. I also went into Starbucks, so I kind of showed you guys that a little bit, but it's kind of awkward to vlog and order my Starbucks at the same time. So what I ended up getting was this peppermint mocha frappuccino with soy milk, since I can't have regular milk anymore. I realize every time I have something with regular milk and just dairy in general, it really messes with my stomach, which is very unfortunate, but oh well. So I just wanted to come and let you guys know what I got from Ulta. Got my cute little bag here. I was going to spend a lot more money than I did, but I really don't need a lot of products. So I ended up getting and finding that Almay foundation. This is the Almay Clear Complexion 4-in-1 Blemish Eraser is what it's called. Hopefully it picks it up on the camera. There we go. I got mine in the shade Buff 200. It claims that it has salicylic acid in it, which concerns me because sometimes that can dry out the skin. But at the same time, it helps clear and prevents acne blemishes. And my skin, as you guys noticed in the beginning of this vlog, is very broken out from a Bobbi Brown foundation that I had used like 2 weeks ago, and it still hasn't healed yet. So I'm going to see if maybe this will help my skin. And then I also have been in the need for some new pretty blushes. So I decided to pick up this Makeup Revolution, the matte blush in the shade Nude. Super pretty, love it. This was only $5, and then the Almay foundation was $14.99 is what it's showing, and then this matte blush was weird. I'm confused because it did say on there that the foundation was like $10 or $12, and then the blush was supposed to be $5, but I still got it for a good deal because I use this app called Retail Me Not on my phone. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it, but let me show you what it is. It's this app right here. Oh, hold on. Come on. Also, this vlog is not sponsored by them. I just really love this app. So it's called Retail Me Not. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll list it down in the description down below as well. But it's called Retail Me Not, and what I used on my transaction for today, I think you can use it like maybe once a month. They come out with different ones. So they have one for Ulta, and it's get $3.50 off your like drugstore purchase of a purchase of $15 or more. So my purchase ended up coming out to being like $17. So I got $3.50 off of that, which is amazing. So I definitely love Retail Me Not. If you guys don't have it yet, you need to check it out. It's a free downloaded app. Again, this vlog is not sponsored by them. I just seriously love that app. So I'm going to go ahead and head to my grandma's house. I just figured since I have the day off and it's rainy, I'm going to go visit my grandparents because I miss them. I try to visit them at least once a week or so. But yeah, they live locally in town, so I'm going to go ahead and take a drive and go visit them, and I'll check in with you guys in a little while. To my grandparents' house not too long ago. I'm stepping outside on their balcony because it's so pretty. I love it out here. I'm going to turn it around and show you guys what it looks like. The view is just incredible. That is the Vincent Thomas Bridge, which is absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, I'm just kind of hanging out with my grandparents right now, chilling, watching I can't talk, watching some HGTV with my grandma. I'm gonna be going home soon, hanging out. I'm gonna get this vlog up either later on today or tomorrow. But yeah, just kind of hanging out. I'm gonna see if maybe if one of my friends wants to go to dinner tonight. I haven't texted her yet because she's at work. But we'll see if she's busy. If I end up going to dinner, I'll vlog a little bit more so you guys can kind of see what's up and what we're up to. But I just wanted to check in and say hello. Yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day. So I just made myself some hot chocolate. I normally don't drink hot chocolate or like hot coffee or anything like that, but I was just craving something sweet and wanted to drink some hot cocoa. So I am going to be going to dinner with one of my friends. I'm super excited. We'll be vlogging tonight as long as there's enough light and you can see us. I'm also watching Friends, which I'm obsessed with. Obsessed. Let me see if I can show you. I'm watching it on my little tablet here. They're all so funny.
Wish I was reading my own name.
But yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing right now. My room's a mess, so disregard all the crap in the back. But yeah, just wanted to check in, say hello. Again, this is my first time vlogging, so if you guys want to see anything particular on my vlog, just let me know. Oh, this hot cocoa tastes so good. But yeah, I hope you guys are still enjoying your day. I'm gonna probably fast forward this to when I'm having dinner because I'm literally just laying in bed until I go with my friend Marissa to dinner. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the vlog. Koa, are you saying hello? Hey yo. This is Koa. He's a Doberman. Say hi, Koa. Hi. He doesn't even know what's going on. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys in a little bit when we're out to dinner. I'm just hoping that it doesn't get all wet on the front of my camera. I was hoping that I would remember my goddamn umbrella. The sky looks so blue. Look how blue the sky looks in this video. It's gorgeous. You're so cute. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so Marissa's showing me.
No.
Come here, show me.
No,
come on. No.
Secret phone app.
Okay, she's showing me secret phone apps. We're trying to figure out what to order. I don't even know if they can hear me in this because it's so loud in here.
So I downloaded this little.
Now she wants to show it. Okay, fine.
I downloaded the Tamagotchi app, and this is my Tamagotchi.
Everybody, we all know that you remember Tamagotchis.
Oh my god,
this
my
is so
friend
cute.
told me that they have an app for it, and I just decided to download it and see what it was.
Yes.
And it'll probably be deleted, in a couple days, but I'm entertained for now.
But I think I'm gonna get the broccoli and cheese soup because that sounds bomb. Right there. It's not letting me get it. There it is. And I don't know what else to order. It's only served on Thursdays too, which is weird. Today's Thursday. Today is Thursday. As long as what? Got some wine. It's so cute in here. So I ordered ordered the broccoli cheese soup with the banana muffin. What did you order?
Chicken strips.
And french fries. We're ready to devour.
Freaking out. I'm on the lead and I thought I accidentally like gave someone a power move, which is like Tinder's equivalent of like a super like.
Did you or no?
No.
No. Okay, good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers. Wrapper inside of my ice cream.
We're so confused right now.
Like, you can't make this stuff up, man.
There is
Something
a
always
McDonald's.
happens. Why does this stuff always happen to me? Am I losing my mind? What is
How do you
the
eat this?
wrapper from?
Oh my god.
I'm so upset.
This normally happens to us.
Oh my god.
Mine looks chill.
I'm so upset.
Hers on the other.
I didn't ask for this.
Alright you guys, excuse the bad lighting right now. I'm in my car, just getting finished with dinner with my friend Marissa. We had so much fun. I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog right here. So if you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, also subscribe to my channel with the big red button. That would sure mean a lot to me. And if you guys want to see more vlogs like this, please leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!